Well, 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 if it isn't a sandwich fan. Hello, sandwich fan, Sandwich Dad here, and today we're making tonkatsu! Katsu sando, here we go. Get some pork chops in some plastic wrap, and then smash 'em. When they're sufficiently flat and battered, we'll batter 'em again. Salt, pepper, flour, into some egg, and into some panko. Very nice. We'll chiffonade some cabbage. We'll make a homemade tonkatsu sauce, oyster sauce, Worcester sauce, and ketchup. Truly an incredible condiment. Anyway, let's fry them porks. Looking good. We'll make a sesame dressing with some mayo, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and sesame oil, and then we'll drizzle that over our cabbage. Throw some sesame seeds on there, too. Why not? In for shokupan, Japanese milk bread is just regular white bread. A little bit of tonkatsu sauce on the bottom, then the pork, more sauce on top, and then our little cabbage salad, nicely dressed. Put the hat on, cut the crusts off, and it didn't stay as fluffy as we'd hoped, but not so bad. Lad said good day early. We'll give it a try. It's delicious. I don't know why we cut the crusts off. It's probably easier without, but great sandwich. Sandwich Dad, good day!